bedireti moya o halalelang kupontsereletse na re tla fela manete ka tšhikalanga re tokobotsa lebeswa tilbet Azekangeni Dear social petutwana the ZAPU campaign symbol which meant the anti-striking was over. Vanele Zimbabwe. Izomonkomo. Isocially Petumtwana was the ZAPU campaign symbol. A clear lesson, a clear message to put down the arms and become ordinary soldiers, citizens, and Izakamizi. The Zika survived to defend the young and the vulnerable. Isocially Petumtwana was the ZAPU campaign symbol, while others they chose the cock. It called the driven by the appetite of boldly. Looted chickens, they ate the bushes during the war. Dear Socially Petumtwana, the Zika symbol was the AK. Ikotina Manenga, Jebele, Lapesa, Salirokona. Banega bagita basale kangeni, banega bagita basale znangeni. Dear Socially Petumtwana, ikhuba lehloka lomumbe maceleni, lalweni Zimbabwe. Bantwana besabathi, loyalty to the people of this country was too much. Bona bathuku zibhobhe emkubeni, inganisika labo zdebe zikhanyelanga, bona belicathamele. I can't remember Gauke, I can't remember Elson Moyo, I can't remember Ananias Valerio Zibanda. Katawe namasocha petheni namhlanje. I look all around me, what I sing about socha katani sumtwana, epeti vubu lembabazane esandleni. Unleashed on citizens to defend the greedy elite, unleashed on citizens to defend the minds and the farms of the living elite, unleashed on citizens to silence the Bruce voice and instill fear. Vuga Samora Machel, Vuga Kwame Nkrumah, Vuga Seretse Khama, Vuga Nelson Rolihlahla, or let me not go far. Vuga Getty Dube, Vuga Zongami Dube, John Dube, Swazini Ndlovu, Roger Mashimini, Vuga Stanley Gagisa, Vuga Sabangana, or let me not go far. Kajama Sota Yulamkanja Peteni, Vuga Lookout Kalisa Batufu Mitaba Mafela Masubu, Vuga Alfred Nigita Magena. Izotshela namasotsha Second Republic ukuthi thina sifuna